If you want to sound like a real Croatian, there is one very useful word to know. The word is MOŽE. But we use it for various things and situations. Let's say you are in a cafe, you want to order a coffee. You can just say MOŽE jedna kava or MOŽE jedan cappuccino. It literally means can one coffee or can cappuccino. The meaning is actually can I get one coffee? Can I get one cappuccino? So it's a polite and friendly way to order something, very short and casual. Or let's say you want to order a beer, you just say MOŽE jedno pivo. MOŽE jedno pivo. Or you just say the brand name, for example, MOŽE jedan Budweiser. So there is no need to say mogu li dobiti jedno pivo or mogu li dobiti jedan Budweiser. Let's say you want to order some food, you can just say MOŽE sandwich sa sirom. MOŽE sandwich sa sirom. Meaning, can I get a cheese sandwich? MOŽE also has another meaning. It can mean, okay, sure, no problem. For example, your friend says, vidimo se sutra, and you say, MOŽE. So, the meaning is, see you tomorrow, and you say, okay, sure, vidimo se.